Are you a homeowner with a conservatory that you are not getting value from? Do you feel frustrated that it's a waste of space? It's too hot in summer, freezing cold in winter, and too noisy in bad weather. Did you know that house buyers now consider a conservatory as a liability on a property? You see, if they've already owned one previously, they know the problems and could be put off purchasing a home that has one. That's why so many homeowners are removing all these problems by transforming their conservatory into a garden room extension. Ask yourself, what would it mean to convert that waste of space into a smart, functional living area? One with full building control approval, which creates an asset to your home for you, now and in years to come, and one which will transform the way you live in your home. Now, if you're anything like me, when you want a price for a job, you don't want to be sold to in your home by a salesman to get a quotation. I'm Rob Yates, and at Eco Conservatory Solutions, all you need to do to get a price is send me a photograph of your conservatory taken from the garden, and I promise to give you a 100% accurate quotation. So if you're ready to find out more, simply fill in the form today.